Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on VIVO V2023. And to do this we'll need to open the Google Play Store. Now let's find an app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, you can click on the open, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. And last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Now we can begin using the app. There's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active and the Settings. In User you can enable and allow any apps for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can do the same things with system-bound apps. In Active there's all apps that we've just activated, and in the settings we can customize our LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen. Let's click on the test button to see the LED lamp. It should be right here in the top left corner. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.